Hey guys, my name is Kaylin. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing this rustic DIY tree sign that I did for my front porch. This was super quick and easy, and I definitely need to get started on the outdoor Christmas decor, so I'm glad to get this done and at least get things started out there. This is part of the Outdoor Christmas Porch DIY Decor Challenge being hosted by Measure and Mix and Mrs. V. So thank you guys so much for hosting this. I will have a link in the description down below to both of their channels so you can go check them out. And if you're new here, welcome to Crafty Treat Adventures. I do craft videos, cake videos, just love doing creative stuff. Would love to have you as part of my adventure here. So hit that subscribe button and let's go ahead and get started. To get started, I just had 2 pieces of barn wood. I love this wood. I got it from my mom. She owns a craft store. She's always coming across really cool old pieces of wood, and I had these 2 around. So just cut those down to put the 2 together, and then on the back side just took some pieces of scrap wood and put along the top, middle, and bottom with some screws to hold the 2 pieces together, and that's really all there is to just getting it set up. And then I just grabbed a piece of chalk to draw the outline for the tree. That way I had a guide for painting. So just grabbed that and started drawing out the shape of the tree. Once I had this shape done, then I just moved on to getting my base coat on there. I started with a lighter green, so just took it and started painting in my outline. And once I had the light green done, I went back in with a darker green, more the color that I was wanting for the tree, and went over top of the first coat with the dark green to finish off the tree. Once I was finished with that, I just went in with a smaller brush and some dark brown paint and painted the trunk of the tree. And then once you're finished with that, that's all there is to painting the tree on. So it's super simple and really quick and easy to do. And then once I was done with the paint, let it dry, I went back through with just a piece of sandpaper real quick and lightly sanded the whole tree just to kind of rough it up a little bit and take the edge off the paint. Then I went in with a rustic tin star for on the top of the tree. If you don't have a tin star, you can always just paint one on. That'll work just as well. And then for the top and bottom, I wanted to do a twine accent, so just wrapped some twine around it until I got the amount on there that I wanted, and then tied it around the back of the sign. And I just did the same thing on the top here as well. That's it. That's all there is to this one. This was so quick and easy, and I mean the best part is I just had all of this stuff around, so it was free, which is my favorite type of project as well. So this is the outside space that I was redoing. As you can tell, there's nothing there. I told you I haven't really started on anything yet. So to decorate at least a little bit here, I wanted to put up my wreath. I got this like 2 years ago, I believe, at Walmart. So got it put up. It looks really pretty when the Christmas lights are on. And then just put the sign off to the right of the door, and that's really all there is to it. So I think it turned out really cute, and it looks really nice sitting out there. So I'm excited to have it done, and thank you to Measure and Mix and Mrs. V for hosting this challenge. This was a perfect excuse for me to finally start decorating outside for Christmas. So thank you guys for hosting this. And again, I'll have their links in the description below so you can go check out their channels and their videos for the challenge as well. And then there will be a link at the end of this video for the playlist so you can go check out all of the other projects for the challenge and see what everybody came up with. So click in the top right to check that out. Be sure to leave a like if you enjoyed this and subscribe if you want to see my future videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next adventure.